Welcome to Tech Compilation. So today in this video we are going to discuss one of the very important feature, how to create the custom map functions. So we all know that like the Delboomi has the some inbuilt different categories of the functions available by the the string function, the numeric functions, and the lookup function, SQL related function. But we have also experienced that it may be needed we need to also create some custom functions, or which you can say the user defined function, by using the all the existing or inbuilt function which is already available with us. So for that, I have just created one of the sample, like the suppose the concatenate sequence format that functions whether we wanted to concat some of the fields by using the pipe delimiters or like init delimiters. So how we can achieve by using the existing systems, how we can create our the customs or the user defined function as we needed. So for that, I have created one of the process by using the map. So I have used the say called map, and in that map I have created a custom functions, and I'm using the XML profiles. So we can see here how the process has been designed. So looking into the here, you can see the whatever I have taken here. So I have taken the XML profiles. So XML profiles, they're taken the two XML profiles. One is actually the contacts. So these contacts have the ID, first name, last name, email, and states, and the response contact is containing nothing but only the result. So in which I will concatenate these all the values. We'll see. This is the basically map. So that is the important. The purpose of our this video is to only here. So this is the one of the map I have created, where in the source side, the left hand side, that is the source, I have taken the contacts XML profiles. Okay, and this is the function. So if you see, the function name is the concat sequence format. So this function, if you see, is not available here. Okay, this function is not available as in the any category. So I have opted as the user defined function. If you see the user defined function, in that you'll see the concat sequence format. So by using that user defined function, I have created this. So how this can be created? So this can be created by this create new function. Here you need to give your the input and what are the operations. So this is the place where you can use the existing already available Boomi provided the functions, and using that we can create our the custom functions. So this will be indicate the input, what will be the output we will share here, and this portion will be the steps will be going to the describe whatever the existing function are available that we can use. So using that only, I have already created this function, the concat sequence format. Concat sequence format. So once I edit it, you will able to see here the input. I have added the sum of the fields called the ID, FNAME, first name, last name, email, and state. And here, if you see, I have used nothing but the Boomi provided string concat. So if you make the edit, here you can see this is the string concatenation provided by the Boomi. Here I am giving the delimiter pipe, the fixed length if we needed you can give, and these are the input over there. What is the output? So output is nothing but the result, and that result I am passing to this result. Correct? So this is the input. So whatever the contact XML profile has the input, I am passing to the this custom function concat sequence format, and this is the calling nothing but the actual the string concatenation and providing the result, and I'm passing this result to the one of the response XML profile. Okay, this is the message I have just storing here. Yeah, so very simple. And once we create the map function, you can see this will be appear under the map function. So this is our map function. Okay, so this function name is concat sequence format. So that is basically taking the sum of the input and it's using the string concat boomi provided function and it's performing the concatenation. So let's run this process. So for that we can select the test cloud because everything is on cloud, and here we don't think in anything the is available on premises. So if the nothing involved from the on premises, so local atom is not needed. So yes, you can see what was the output. So yes, so this is the my actually here in the message I have already put the hard code value. So you can see this is the hard code value which is coming from the message. Okay, so this is containing the already hard code value. It is passing to this. So after executing this map save, we can see what is the it's giving. So it's giving us the 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 documents. It's giving, and for the each document we can see what is the doing. So for the each document, it's giving us the concatenated value. So if you see one John Doe, so or whatever the like the ID, first name, last name, email ID, and state. So those are getting concatenated together, and the delimiter has been used as a pipe. So you can see this is the John Doe. Looking into the this, it is showing John Smith. You can see the Jando, so the ID is 3, and this is the fourth chain. So ID is the 4. So all the 4 contacts which is containing into the as a hard code message I have put into the message set. So after the this our the custom function which is the appeared and which we have already added into our contact map. So that is basically for each contact they are iterating over the each contact, and it is concatenating for each and every contact as a result, and it's a return. So if you see this is the outcomes. So this is the very useful where as per our requirement, whenever we need to create the some complex structure of the function which can perform the multiple operations, or which can do the multitasking by using the Boomi provided existing function. So by using that user defined function, we can create the complex structure of the function. So hope you like this video. Thanks for your time.